Hello, the aim of this short video is to demonstrate how to use the SCAMPER technique for creative thinking. The SCAMPER technique is used to improve and innovate an existing product or service. It promotes the generation of ideas by providing 7 questions or categories which inspire creative approaches to problem solving, opening the mind to inventing and innovation. SCAMPER is an acronym, so each letter represents a different category or question. I am going to go through each one to give you an example for how the SCAMPER technique can be used. Here we have the words which correspond to SCAMPER. Substitute, combine, adapt, maximize or minimize, put in another use, eliminate and reorganize. So let's have a look at the different questions that can be asked for each of these words or categories. For substitute, here I have a torch which uses an alkaline battery. What could I substitute to make this torch more ecological, for example? I could use a dynamo to generate electricity instead of the alkaline battery, and therefore not produce a wasteful, toxic product. To combine, I need to take 2 ideas and put them together to create something new. Here we have an example of a baby bed which has been combined with a baby bag or a nappy bag. In this situation, 2 different products have been put together to create something new, 2 in 1. How could I adapt these Ziploc bags to create something new? I could change the material that the bags are made out of. Here we have Ziploc bags made out of silicone and are therefore reusable and more ecological. How could I maximize or minimize this clothes peg to create something new? When you maximize, you can either increase the size or increase the quantity, and the same with minimize. You can either reduce the size or reduce the quantity. In this example, I have maximized by using more clothes pegs in one particular product. To put in another use, how could you use your product and use it in a different way? Here we have an example of old Wellington boots which have been used as plant pots. So they are being used in a completely different way. To eliminate, is there a component of your product that you could eliminate to improve it? What could I eliminate in this telephone? I could eliminate the cable, and in this case have a cordless phone, which is more practical. And to reorganize, how could you present your product in a different way, reorganize it to make it into something new? Here we have an example of a Kit Kat chocolate bar presented in a different way. It's exactly the same product, but presented in bite-sized pieces, and the packaging is different. So presented in a different way, it appears to be a new innovative product, but in fact is just the same product as before. So this is the SCAMPER technique. I hope that this video has been useful and that you will have fun using it to find a new solution to your water problem.